girl, I'm the Walking Traveler, and I'm here with my fast 5 traveling tips, helping to make your travel experience fun, fulfilling, and not frightening. I'm gonna go through 5 simple items that I feel that you should never put in your check-in luggage because it's just will probably cause more problems than it's worth if they ever get lost. Can't talk today. If they ever get lost. Let's go to the very first. Oh, before we get into this, I want to tell you all, I have a Facebook group that's dedicated to travel, and I'm going to leave the link down below, so make sure that you join that Facebook group. This one may seem a little weird, but I strongly suggest that you do not put all of your clothing in your checked-in bags. I suggest that you keep 1 or 2 outfits in your carry-on, as well as extra underwear, undergarments, underwear, socks, and even an extra pair of comfortable shoes. Because if your bag gets lost and you're all the way in Hawaii, or you're all the way in Singapore and you're a taller person or a person where it's hard to find clothes for you, you now are in Singapore and you're supposed to enjoy your vacation with the 1 outfit. Also, if your plane is delayed, you have some type of delay, if you have a change of clothes, then you can go take a shower, freshen up, and you can just check into the hotel that they're going to provide for you because your flight was canceled or delayed. And so those are my short list of things that I personally wouldn't put in checked-in baggage. What is your list of things that you wouldn't put in checked-in baggage? Are there certain things that you're like, I would never check that in? Leave those down below because it may help somebody else who is traveling. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye now.